Ever wonder how a simple family business turned into a global automotive giant? Let's dive into the origins of Ford. In the early days of the 20th century, a visionary named Henry Ford dreamt of a world where everyone could afford a car. In 1903, he founded the Ford Motor Company, setting the wheels in motion for a revolution on four wheels. This wasn't just about creating vehicles, it was about creating opportunities, about making the world a smaller, more connected place. In 1908, Henry Ford introduced the Model T. It wasn't the first car ever made, but it was the first car that was accessible to the masses. It was reliable, efficient, and most importantly, affordable. Henry Ford's dream was becoming a reality. From a mere dream to revolutionizing the automobile industry, Ford's journey was just beginning. So, buckle up as we gear up to navigate through the inspiring journey of Ford Motor Company. The Model T was just the start of Ford's success. But how did they manage to stay on top for over a century? The answer lies in the company's fearless pursuit of innovation and a relentless commitment to excellence. In the early days, Ford revolutionized the automotive industry with the introduction of the moving assembly line in 1913. This significant development was a game changer. It not only allowed for mass production of vehicles, but also cut down the assembly time drastically. What was once a 12-and-a-half-hour process was now reduced to just about 93 minutes. This meant that Ford could produce cars at a rate never before seen, making automobiles more accessible and affordable to the average consumer. The company's spirit of innovation didn't stop there. Fast forward to 1964, Ford once again shook the automotive world with the launch of the iconic Ford Mustang. This sleek, stylish, and powerful vehicle captured the hearts of car enthusiasts and became an instant classic. The Mustang's success further solidified Ford's position as a leading car manufacturer, demonstrating their ability to adapt to changing consumer tastes and market trends. In recent years, Ford has continued to push the boundaries of automotive technology, venturing into electric and autonomous vehicles. They've recognized the need for sustainable transportation solutions and are actively investing in research and development to drive the industry forward. Their commitment to innovation is evident in their all-electric Mustang Mach-E and the autonomous vehicle program, both of which are redefining the future of mobility. But it's not just about cutting-edge technology or sleek designs. At the heart of Ford's enduring success is an unwavering commitment to its customers. They've always strived to deliver quality, reliability, and value, building vehicles that people can trust and love. This dedication to customer satisfaction has allowed them to build strong relationships and a loyal customer base, contributing significantly to their longevity and success. Through constant innovation and adaptation, Ford has managed to stay at the forefront of the automotive industry. With a track record spanning over a century, it's clear that Ford isn't just making cars, they're shaping the future of transportation. What's the secret sauce behind Ford's enduring success? Let's uncover the principles that drive Ford. At the heart of this iconic brand are core values that have steered its operations since inception. Quality, for one, is a non-negotiable aspect of Ford's production. Each vehicle is meticulously crafted to ensure a seamless blend of performance and durability. Sustainability is another guiding principle. Ford recognizes its responsibility towards the environment and continually strives to minimize its carbon footprint. This is evident in their push for electric vehicles and eco-friendly manufacturing processes. Then there's Ford's customer-centric approach. Every innovation, every new model is designed with the customer's needs in mind. And let's not forget Ford's commitment to its employees. Ford has played a pivotal role in shaping the American workforce, providing stable jobs and fostering a culture of respect, diversity, and innovation. The success of Ford lies in its unwavering commitment to its values, even as it navigates the ever-changing automotive landscape. From the Model T to the Mustang and the F-150, Ford has a legacy of success. But what does the future hold for this automotive giant? Today, Ford stands tall in the automotive industry, not just as a maker of cars, but as a symbol of innovation and resilience. As we look ahead, the company continues to forge its path into the realms of electric and autonomous vehicles. This isn't just a leap into the future, it's a commitment to sustainability and a greener world. Undeniably, challenges are part of every journey. For Ford, it's no different. From market competition, shifting consumer preferences, to the complexities of new technologies, Ford faces them head-on. But how? By banking on their century-old legacy of innovation and commitment to quality. They lean into these challenges, turning them into opportunities for growth and learning. As Ford looks to the future, its century-old legacy of innovation and commitment to quality will continue to drive its success.